Welcome to Nanak Coding Systems. Incepted in the year 2008, in Delhi, Nanak Coding Systems is one of the foremost manufacturers, exporter and importer of a wide range of coding and marking machinery and its spare parts. This range includes batch coding machineries, driver assembly, etc. All these products are manufactured with utmost precision with the aid of advanced machinery and latest tools using the best grade raw materials such as steel sheets, aluminum, iron metal, brass alloy, etc. designed in sync with the international parameters. These products are known for the features like optimum performance, sturdy construction, accurate dimensions, reliable operations, user-friendly interface, compact design and easy installation. We would like to take this opportunity to introduce ourselves as the solution providers of marking, coding, and traceability for last 2 years, with the world of the advanced technology. Under the guidance of our mentor, Mr. Gurmeet Singh, we have achieved epitome of success in this domain. He is having rich industry experience and always motivates our professionals towards fulfilling the ever-changing demands of our esteemed clients. Nanak Coding Systems is the manufacturer, exporter and importer of batch coding machineries such as automatic batch coding machine, tabletop batch coding machine, hand coder, high-speed ink roll coder, intermittent ink roll coder, industrial ink with a range of black porous ink, solvent ink, anti-freeze coding ink, silicon retainers, band sealer machine, and pouch sealing machine, batch coding machine spares, auto ink coder, batch marking consumables like hot oil ribbon, rubber letters, coding machine brass letters, coding machine steel letters, thermal transfer ribbon, etc.